Good morning, guys. We're out here for Road Regionals number 4 stop. It is June 12th. We're out here at Moores Marina on good old Kentucky Lake. You can see here, everybody's getting ready to go through boat check, getting ready to blast off and do some fishing today. Got my tackle on my back. There's my rods over there. But like always, classic pre-tournament ritual. Got the Black Rifle Coffee Company. Just my absolute favorite morning drink to drink.
We'll give y'all a helpful co-angler tip.
You got Trent.
What is it, co-angler tip? Before you get in the boat, make sure it's your boater. Don't just walk into the boat. Yeah. I was like, Ronnie, right? He's like, no. I was like, oh, we're in the wrong boat. He's like, you not Douglas? I was like, no.
I just say, hey, buddy, or something like that.
Yeah.
What's up?
I said something, he didn't hear me. I said that was him. Co-angler tip of the day.
Hammer's out there somewhere. He got out here super early this morning, so he's out there with his boater. It's about 5 o'clock. What time is it? 5 o'clock?
5:07.
5:07. Blast off starts at 5:30. I'm in the middle towards the pack, and Trent he's literally 6 boats from last, so everybody's gonna be blasted off for him and his guy even get out of here. We're gonna try to catch him, guys. I think it's gonna be tough fishing, so I think every fish is gonna go a long way today, especially on the co-angler side. So I appreciate y'all. If y'all would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And let's get to it. Let's go catch some fish. You ready, Trent?
I'm ready, dude. I'm ready to rip some lips, man.
Let's get it, man.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me.
Got one, little one. Jerk. Look, I know. He was still there. That's probably about what got you a while ago. Come here, fish. Open your mouth. There we go. Well, guys, got the first one of the morning, the jerk bait, little bitty guy. Get back in there. There's another bigger one trying to get it from him. I don't think he was keeper, but still is a bigger fish. There's a couple chasing out there. It's still like flat of that point there. There we go. Ah, little. No, he might keep actually. He was swimming towards me. I can't tell exactly. Yeah, he might keep. It'll be a close one.
Yeah.
I think he's 15. Appreciate the net job, Ryan. Yeah, he hit it like he wanted it, and I guess he started coming towards me, and I was like, never mind. Here we go, guys. First one on the crankbait this morning. If we can get it out of there. Where's your bump board at? Oh yeah, dude's 15 all day. Here we go, guys. First fish of the morning. Down on the square bill. Hey, yeah. It seemed like it never happened. Cause I know on Pitwick they was the water was coming up, but the water and stuff just wasn't there yet. And the fish was wanting to go up into the bushes. And you could catch a few in the bushes, but little fish. I probably just killed him anyways. Smashed him against the prop. Come here. He hit it like he wanted it though.
Pop. pretty good.
Yeah. There, guys, I got one flipping on the baby brush hog. Done smashed my camera up. There we go. Yeah, I mean, he hit it on the fall. It said, boop. He went to running. Well guys, a little bit of a midday update here. Still got one fish in the live well, one keeper. It's 11 o'clock right now. We got to check in at 2 o'clock, so that gives us what, 12, 1, 3 hours. We got 3 hours left to fish, so we got to get on it. Ryan, he still got one in the live well too. We've had some short fish. I didn't get them all on camera, but we've had a couple short fish. Lost a couple short fish, nothing, you know, real crazy. But we got the 3D, getting the caffeine in, trying to get that second win for the last half here. Let's get it going. So we're gonna try our best, finish out the day strong. Been just flipping docks and stuff, throwing Ned rigs, flipping jigs, beaver baits, that kind of stuff. All right, let's get to fishing. Is there a little bit of brush right there where I'm at?
There's some rocks.
Smallmouth. Smallie. Well guys, that's the first fish in a little bit on the Ned rig. Good old smallmouth there. Got him all wrapped up around the line. Big one. There we go. There you go, guys. It was like... All right, buddy, you're gonna stay calm now. You got trebles all over you. Well, got one on the jerk bait. Check that out, guys. About a 12-incher. Ah, he's not even 14. Sweet. Yeah. It's a smallmouth. No, it's a largie. It's a largie. It's a keeper. Get ready. It's coming up. Get ready. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's finish strong. Let's finish strong. Here we go. On the net here. Should I measure him? I think he's 15.
No, he's 15.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Let's go, baby. Come on. 3 more. 3 more.
But they fall off pretty quickly.
He's got 1 pound 11 ounces points in the bag at 111.
Yes, sir.
Trevor Gooch, 2 bass, fishing as a co-angler. 3 pounds 15 ounces. Trevor, you're still in the money at 17th place.
Maybe we'll stay that way.
Alexander, 5 pounds.